HCl is the chemical formula of hydrogen chloride, and it is also known as muriatic acid.
Well, the hydrogen chloride is a binary compound that is formed by two elements which are hydrogen and chloride, and it is classified as a polar covalent because of the significant difference in electron negativity between the atoms. It gives the molecule a particle ionic character. In terms of chemical function, the hydrogen chloride is considered an acid since when it is dissolved in water, it forms hydrochloric acid, which is a strong acid that is widely used in industries and laboratories.
The industrial way to make hydrogen chloride gas is burning hydrogen gas in chlorine gas. The reaction is hydrogen plus chlorine gives hydrogen chloride. This happens inside a special burner made of quartz or graphite. These materials can handle the heat and the corrosive gases. After the gas forms, it is cooled, dried, and then compressed for storage or transport. Another method that is still used sometimes is reacting a strong acid called sulfuric acid with table salt. When you heat salt with sulfuric acid, you get hydrogen chloride gas. Depending on the temperature, you also get other salts called sodium bisulfite or sodium sulfate. Hydrochloric acid is just hydrogen chloride gas dissolved in water. To make it, the gas is sent into the bottom of a tall tower. Pure water flows down from the top. The gas dissolves into the water. This releases a lot of heat, so the tower must be cooled. If it gets too hot, the gas will escape back into the air. The final product is usually 30 to 37% hydrogen chloride by weight. That is the common hydrochloric acid you see in labs and stores. In a lab, you can mix table salt with concentrated sulfuric acid in a glass flask. Then you heat the flask gently. Hydrogen chloride gas is released. You can bubble the gas into a container of distilled water. The water absorbs the gas and becomes dilute hydraulic acid. This is fine for small experiments but not for making large amounts. Hydrogen chloride gas is dangerous. It burns your lungs, eyes, and skin. It is toxic and corrosive, whether in a factory or a lab. You need good ventilation. You must use equipment that traps any gas that escapes, and you must always wear goggles, gloves, and protective clothing.
Hydrochloric acid has many key important applications in numerous industries. That includes cleaning, food processing, and chemical synthesis.
Well, so in conclusion, we believe that hydrochloric acid is a very important chemical compound because it is used in many areas like medicine, industrial processes, or cleaning products. It is also important to the human body because it helps with digestion. But also, hydrochloric acid can be dangerous to people and the environment if it is not used correctly because it can contaminate water, air, and soil and will cause health problems. So, for this reason, we think it's important to use hydrochloric acid carefully and responsibly to reduce its negative environmental impact.